This week's resource walkthrough focuses on Grade 2, Number and Operations in Base 10, which really focuses on understanding place values and how to make those initial numbers work in groups. As we move into highlighted resource this week, it's NCTM Illuminations. Now, this is a really useful opportunity as it allows you to break down lessons and interactives based on the NCTM standards as well as the Common Core standards. For this week, we will be focusing on pre-K2 and also moving into number and operations. This allows me to make a nice quick search with NCTM, or if I would like to focus on Common Core math standards, I can sure do that, which I'll be doing this week. Common Core math standards allow you to break this down by grades as well as the high school, and within the grade, the specific strand. By pushing search, a teacher or student or parent can go through this free resource and find opportunities for growth. This week I'll be focusing on numbers in many ways. As you can see here, students work with subtraction at the intuitive level as they explore number families, help laying a strong foundation for algebraic thinking and thinking numbers within groups in the future. This resource gives a great opportunity in the fact that you actually have instructional plans in order to move forward. So as a novice teacher or moving into the unknown, using new opportunities, a teacher can simply click on this resource, look at the summary, the directions, cues, and also have the tools in order to complete the assignment. As I'm a teacher, especially those teachers who still enjoy using print resources, you can simply go throughout the lesson, ensure that your standards are being met, glance to make sure that you have the materials that you need either for your standard or small group activity, look at extension opportunities or assessment opportunities within the lessons. Have those high-level questions for students, specifically guiding students into questions that are open-ended rather than just specific. You'll notice here that these questions also focus throughout the opportunity on writing and making sure that students can relay their growth and relay their knowledge at a high level. Opportunities for teacher growth in that growth mindset opportunity also allow teachers, rather than going through a program or going through simply a modeled lesson, teachers can actually think about, did students meet the standards and expectations that were laid out? Was the learning target met? Were students interacting with the content at a high level? Or were just certain students interacting with the content? This allows a teacher to move on through this piece. And then on top of it, there are other activities that would then move the student on to the next level. So if a teacher, rather than going completely open source and centers-based instruction, they could use Illuminations in a step-by-step opportunity in order to gain comfort, but also gain extension opportunities for students that will guide them to be able to making those abstract thoughts more concrete. This resource will be used by me in two ways. First of all, as I tutor my own daughter in second grade, I'm preparing her to grow stronger in number and operations. We'll be using this opportunity before we start school. As an administrator, I will be using these opportunities and already have in order to prepare our students to really get that foundational math, specifically those students that are at that lower grade level as they come in special education or ELL in order to get them to grade level before they leave our school. Thank you and have a great week.